Ready to learn more about the plan? There are a lot of different ways to earn money in the Amway business. This video will focus on the differential bonus. What is a differential bonus? Another way to make money. Specifically, it leads to a better monthly income based on how you build your team. So how is differential calculated? It's the difference between your bonus bracket percentage and a personally sponsored IBO's performance bonus bracket. This equals your differential percentage, the final piece of information needed to calculate differential bonus. Your differential percentage is multiplied by your frontline's group BV to get your differential bonus from that leg. Ready to learn more? Let's look at some examples to better understand. Meet Jim. He works hard selling products and sponsoring others to do the same. He gets his first bonus from Amway. Way to go, Jim! Jim sees that his personal performance bonus is $36 and his differential bonus is $15.45. Where did that extra money come from? Let's look at Jim's business and team structure. Jim spends time teaching and coaching downline IBO Jose on how to sell product and talk with prospects. For that time, Jim may get rewarded with additional bonuses. It's important to note that Jim must generate at least 50 PV in qualified customer sales from selling products to be eligible for this bonus. Let's figure out how Jim earns a differential bonus. To do the math, look at three things: Jim's percentage bracket, Jim's frontline percentage bracket, and each frontline's group BV. Currently, Jim has one frontline IBO, Jose. Last month, Jim sold products totaling 200 PV, 600 BV to 4 different customers. Jose bought a new IBO product starter kit and sold some Neutralite products for a total of 175 PV, 515 BV. With this information, let's calculate Jim's differential bonus. Step 1. Identify Jim's total group PV. Add Jim's personal PV, 200, to frontline IBO Jose's PV, 175, to get 375 total group PV. Step 2. Locate the group PV on the performance bonus schedule. This puts Jim at the 6% bracket. Step 3. Identify Jose's percentage bracket. Jose's personal PV is 175. So Jose is at the 3% bracket. Step 4. Calculate the differential percentage. Subtract Jose's 3% from Jim's 6%, which equals 3%. Step 5. Now that we know the differential percentage, multiply that percentage by each of Jim's frontline group BV. 3% multiplied by 515 total group BV equals $15.45. Now Jim understands where that extra money came from, because there's only one frontline, Jose. He develops his team by teaching the principles on selling and sponsoring. 2 months later, we check in with Jim. His hard work paid off. Last month, Jim earned $162 in personal performance bonus. But even better, he earned over $92 in differential bonus. Let's see how he did that. Jim still has Jose on his team and sponsored another IBO, Lauren. Through product sales, Jim earned PV of 450 and BV of 1,350. Downline IBO Jose has been working hard and in 2 months sponsored 2 downline IBOs. Attaboy, Jose! Step 1. Identify Jim's group PV. To do that, you need to add the frontline IBO's group PV to Jim's personal PV. For Jose, each of his downline IBOs achieved 200 personal PV through product sales. Since Jose also has 200 personal PV, his group PV is 600. Lauren generated 150 PV. When we add Jim's frontline volume plus his personal PV, we determine that Jim's group PV is 1,200. Step 2. Locate Group PV on the Performance Bonus Schedule. Jim with 1,200 Group PV is at 12%. Step 3. Identify the percentage bracket for each frontline IBO. Lauren with 150 PV is at 3%. Jose with 600 Group PV is at 9%. Step 4. Calculate Jim's differential percentage. Because there are multiple downlines, add everyone's PV to determine Jim's group PV. Jim's personal PV is 450. Jose's group PV is 600. Lauren's personal PV is 150. Added together, that's 1,200 group PV for Jim. Next, remember we need to look up Jim's group PV on the Performance Bonus Schedule. Jim's group PV is 1,200, so he's at the 12% bracket. Subtract both Jose's and Lauren's performance bonus percentages. After doing the math, you can see that Jim will receive a 3% differential bonus from Jose and a 9% differential bonus from Lauren. Step 5. Multiply the differential percentage by each IBO's respective group PV. Jose has a group BV of 1,800, while Lauren has 425 BV. Let's do the math. For Jose, we calculated $54. For Lauren, we calculated $38.25. Next, add these dollar amounts together. Our total ends up being $92.25, which is Jim's total differential bonus. Differential bonus builds with your team. Remember, Jim's first differential bonus was $15.45. As his team grew, his differential bonus did too, all the way to $92.25. What should Jim do next? Keep building his business, selling, sponsoring, and teaching others to do the same. So you feel comfortable with differential? If not, watch this video until you do. If you have questions, reach out to your upline who can help you. Continue to learn how to build your business and have downline IBOs watch too. Continue with differential too, so you can see the impact team building has on the differential bonus.